Hey guys, it's Mr. here, and in this video, I'm gonna reveal how beginners are making thousands of dollars using Jarvis, which is a tool that uses artificial intelligence in order to create high-quality content just for us. So let's give it a try, and trust me, you're gonna love this method. And so first of all, we gotta get accustomed to the platform. What is this all about? Well, artificial intelligence trained to write original creative content. This is Jasper, or formerly known as Jarvis. In other words, here's how this works in a nutshell, right? So you're just gonna type in some lines of commands, some instructions, and then this automated piece of software is gonna execute those commands. In other words, Jasper will do the research for you. It's gonna search through the whole internet for useful resources and create a high-quality piece of content that is tailored for your needs and for your particular requirements. And the best part is that this is 100% automatic, so it's gonna save you a lot of time. Instead of you having to do the research and check thousands of different sources, this tool will do it in a matter of minutes. And it's well worth it for us, isn't it? And you might be surprised about the quality that it can generate. It's also rated 5 stars out of 5 in over 3,000 reviews. And even more than that, it's got an overall score of 4.9 stars on Capterra. And so all in all, this is just a great and useful tool. And now the question is, how can we put it to work so that we can be profitable using it? And I'm gonna provide you with a step-by-step, proven-to-work strategy that you can just follow along with. You can literally watch this video and implement the instructions, and that's how you're gonna start generating some real cash online. But before you do that, let me show you something, guys. Even though this is a great tool, unfortunately, it is not free. There is gonna be a free trial, meaning that you can start using Jarvis for 5 days or so, for free without having to pay anything, but that is not enough, right? Because we need to use it more than just 5 days. And so if you wanted to go for the starter package, you'd have to pay $29 per month, but do not worry about it. And before you jump to conclusions and tell me something along the lines of, well, I knew that I needed to make an investment to make money online, that is not true. So let me actually show you a free alternative to Jarvis that might actually do as good a job as this tool does. And I'm talking about Writer.me, so make sure to spell this correctly and head over to the website. And this is gonna be pretty much the same thing, but this time around, it is free. And so guys, moving forward, let me just illustrate the process. I'm just gonna walk you through step by step so you can follow along. The first thing I want you to do is head over to tiktok.com and search for product reviews. If you wanna take it one step further, you can also narrow down on a certain niche, such as cooking or gardening or whatever else it is that you're passionate about, right? I'm just gonna go for cooking for the sake of simplicity. And then all you gotta do is find a video that is decently popular. This one, for instance, has got over 100,000 reviews, and that is pretty good. This is just a cheese shredder, right? This is an honest review, a video that shows somebody actually using that tool. But here's the best part about it. Here's what you can do moving forward. What I want you guys to do is head over to Amazon.com and join Amazon Associates. In case you're not familiar with it, this is Amazon's affiliate marketing program. You're not gonna promote Amazon as a website, but you're gonna promote their product. So let me show you how this goes. And so I'm just gonna search for cheese shredder. And hopefully with a little bit of luck, I can find that exact product. There you have it. It's also got a 5% discount. So let's click on it and read more about it. But before we do that, here's the most important feature. All you gotta do is head over to the top of the page and you're gonna see this section right here that says get link. And you wanna click on text. And before you know it, you've got yourself a custom affiliate link that is unique to you, meaning that moving forward, whenever you send people through this link to Amazon and they actually make a purchase, you're gonna get a commission over and over again. This is just a no-brainer. So let's just copy that link, and moving forward, I'm gonna walk you through the process and you will understand exactly how Jarvis comes into play. And guys, trust me, this is a pretty smart strategy. So let's just copy the link for now. And guys, again, if you wanna use Jarvis and pay for the subscription, you can do that. Alternatively, you can use this free tool that is called Writer. So it doesn't really matter. Now, from my experience, Jarvis is actually gonna provide you with some more high-quality content. But for now, if you're just starting out, this one is just perfect. So let's start using it. First off, we gotta select the language, and that's gonna be English. Then we gotta select the tone, and we've got quite a few different options, such as appreciative or casual, or funny, humble, humorous, and you name it. They got it. And in this case, I think that an enthusiastic tone might be appropriate. So let's just select that. And then we can also select the use case. And so when it comes to the use case, you want to go for a blog section writing. It doesn't make much sense for now, but trust me, it's going to be crystal clear in just a second. We basically need to get a script, and then we got to select the topic. And then we can also add some keywords. Once you're done with that, just select a number of variants, and that's going to be 3 in order to have multiple options. And when it comes to the creativity level, we want to choose optimal. So let's just start writing it. And here's the thing, at this point, there is nothing left for us personally to do. we don't have to do any other work because Writer has just provided us with 3 different articles. Just take a look here. Cheese shredders are used to grate or shred cheese into smaller pieces. In the past, cheese was shredded by hand with a grater, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, this article actually makes sense. It is not just a bunch of words combined together. It actually makes sense. And that is exactly what we need. And so here's what I want you to do right now. First off, we need to understand the purpose of this script. How are we gonna use it? And in order to illustrate it, just take a look at these videos right here. This one has literally got 14,000 views, and this other one, 940,000. And this is the exact same product that we are reviewing right now. Just imagine that 940,000 views on a product review video. And we can actually replicate that. And you've got a variety of different ways to go about it. And so that's true. YouTube is gonna be the main source of traffic for today's method. But don't worry about it. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't need any subscribers. And you won't even have to show your face on camera. And so at this point, there are just a few more steps left for us to complete. First off, we need the voiceover. We need somebody to actually read that script that Writer has just generated for us, right? And then we also need some stock footage because there's got to be some footage on that video, otherwise nobody's gonna watch it. When it comes to the voiceover, you've got a few different options. The first one of them is called Speechello. Again, this is an automated tool that will create the voiceover for you without any effort. You just gotta paste in your text, and this tool will transform any text into speech. And on top of that, this is a 100% human sounding voiceover with only 3 clicks. But here's the thing, guys. The drawback here is that this is human sounding for us, not for the YouTube algorithm, unfortunately. You cannot fool that one. If you're gonna post videos on YouTube with an automated voiceover, you're not getting monetized. Your channel will not get monetized through Google Ads, right? We need to keep that in mind. Once you use that automated voice, you can say goodbye to Google Ads and YouTube monetization. But that doesn't mean you cannot still make money. And as a matter of fact, we're not gonna depend on Google Ads at all moving forward. We're gonna set up another stream of passive income so that we are not platform dependent. However, if you guys don't want to pay for Speechello and you still want to get your channel monetized, the most straightforward and self-explanatory way that you can go about it is just to read that text yourself into a microphone. And it doesn't even have to be a studio microphone. You can just go for one of those $10 mics and that's gonna do just fine. But again, this is entirely up to you. So whichever method you choose, that still works. And so the next thing on the list is gonna be the stock footage. What are we gonna display on the screen? Do not even worry about it, guys. I'm not gonna ask you to film yourself while testing that product. Instead, one of the easiest things you can do is just download OBS Studio and simply browse through Amazon's page while taking a look at the pictures of this product right here. By the way, this is the exact same tool I'm using right now to record this video. And it is absolutely free to use. But if you want to take it one step further and make your video even more engaging, what you can do is connect to a place like Paxos.com, which is a place where you can grab royalty-free content, and then you're gonna head over to the video section. At this point, you can literally start downloading all of these videos and combining them together using any free video editing software. And so guys, one more time. Let's just recap real quick here. You've got the whole script generated for you in just a few seconds by this tool right here that is free to use. After that, you can just read it into a microphone and record the voiceover. When it comes to the footage, you can just grab stock footage off of Paxos, or you can even reuse some other people's content from YouTube or TikTok. But again, you need to understand that your channel will get demonetized for that, so you're not making money through Google Ads. And just like that, by combining a few useful tools, you've got yourself a whole video that you can post on your YouTube channel. And when it comes to monetizing that content, you're just gonna do affiliate marketing. Again, you can literally grab your custom affiliate link from Amazon, leading people to the same product that you've just reviewed in the video. And so whenever people purchase it, you're gonna make a commission. You just created a specific review that's emphasizing the advantages of using this tool, and then you're linking people to the exact same product on Amazon. This is a no-brainer. It might actually be one of the easiest ways you can get paid on YouTube. And you're not even depending on the YouTube monetization program. You don't even care whether or not your content is original, whether or not your channel is monetized. You don't need any subscribers in order to do this because you're also ranking on things that people are searching for, right? Here's the thing that we need to understand. Nobody's gonna watch these videos just because they popped up on their feed or on their recommendations tab. Instead, they have probably searched for it. And ranking up on YouTube search is a really good business model because it never gets old. People are constantly gonna search for new topics. And if you can be the person to provide them with the answers they are searching for, that's how you're making a bunch of cash. So I want you guys to take action right now, give this method a try, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.